Carlos Ramirez, owner of Nvs Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. So, Keith's Street Glide Cvo is done and delivered. We ended up doing a Nvs Audio Stage 3 on this one. So, two evox 800.4s in the fairing, DB drive moto in the fairing, and HKI Mini DSP with T-harness. In the lowers were water-cooled, so we used the wild boar adapters to space out the speaker far enough so we can do another set of DB drive moto 6.5 coax in the lowers. The evox 800.4 is running the uppers and lowers on channel 1 and 2, so it's providing a 2 ohm load on each channel. 3 and 4 is running the Hertz 690 Neos that we did the American hardback 5x7 to 6 million adapters to get them to fit in the factory Cvo lids. We ran a set of Hertz 200L 8-inch mid-bass drivers in the back of the bags facing the rear wheel. Those are powered by the second Sound Digital evox 800.4 bridged. So this is a rider bike, sounds amazing. So that's 6.5 in the fairing, 6.5 in the lowers, 6 millions in the lids, and 8s in the bags. For the extra current demand, we upgraded the battery to a Braille AGM, not a lithium, a Braille AGM, the B3121. It's got more cranking amps than the factory Harley battery, and it's a direct drop-in replacement, and it gives us plenty of power to run these two 800-watt amplifiers. So, bike's done, sounds great. Check out the install.